How to prevent leaf drooping and curling and save your plant from dying. Put your finger 1 inch inside the soil. It is too wet, it means the roots are getting too much moisture, causing the leaves to droop. Note that the soil is too wet, which caused the roots to rot, making the leaves droopy. Also, only a couple roots are left, other have rotten. Because now there are only a few roots, they cannot support the plant with so many leaves. So I will trim most of the leaves. To make the soil free draining, mix some sand in the soil. This soil will not hold the water and drain it quickly. Never allow the soil to dry out completely. The soil should be consistently moist, but do not overwater. Water only when top 1 inch soil is dry. Water the plant until it starts to drain out from the drainage holes. Water should be at room temperature, as hot or cold water can also stress the croton. Control pest and diseases. Spray neem oil on leaves once a month to kill insects. Wash the leaves with dishwashing soap to kill spider mites. If you take all these care of your croton plant, I hope new healthy leaves will grow and your croton will not die.